The increasing concentration of carbon dioxide is one of the major environmental crises. Earth's surface temperature has increased a good deal from past few years due to excess emission of carbon dioxide from various factory units and vehicles. The greenhouse effect due to this gas posed the issue of global warming, which is threatening the polar life directly, causing extreme climate changes and rising sea levels due to melting of ice sheets. Exposure to carbon dioxide can cause headache, dizziness, increased heart rate and elevated blood pressure. To avoid these harmful effects, we should limit our activities producing excess carbon dioxide. But what will happen if we remove all the carbon dioxide from atmosphere? To make carbon dioxide-free Earth, you're going to remove only a very small amount of atmospheric constituent, but its effects will be enormous. Carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is about 0.04%, and in a sense is not a pollutant but essential to maintain the life. When you remove carbon dioxide, you actually remove the prime constituent that is responsible to keep the temperature of the planet stable. The layer of carbon dioxide in atmosphere traps a part of solar heat to maintain the temperature of Earth suitable for life. When we completely remove this member from our atmosphere, most of the solar heat will be reflected back. We will be able to solve the issue of global warming, but next comes the big problem, and it's time to get ready for an ice age. The temperature of the planet will fall as low as -18, and nothing will be able to survive such harsh conditions. The days will be cool and nights will be extremely cool. But it is not the only trouble to worry about. Next, if we remove all carbon dioxide, plants will nothing left for their respiration, so when they stop respiration they will begin to die, and in 5 to 7 days there will be no plant left on the planet. And when that happens, there will be no photosynthesis, which means no fruit, no vegetables, no grains and no flowers. No producers, no food, and that might mean the end of the world, because we will have nothing to survive except meat. It is also an integral part of carbon cycle, which is a biogeochemical cycle in which the sea between the earth, oceans, soil and biosphere is exchanged. Here is another fact that we exhale carbon dioxide, and almost all animals use carbon dioxide to yield energy through metabolism. Mitochondria uses carbon dioxide to produce energy in the form of ATP molecule, so we will lack out of energy as well. But even if we survive all this, we will be left with no more carbonated drinks, no more alcohol, no more fluffy cakes, cold days and extremely cold nights, no greenery. So to make carbon dioxide-free Earth shortly means to make life-free Earth. So carbon dioxide and limit is as essential as the major components of atmosphere. But as all of us know that excess of everything is bad,